training, when you come, you feel the power and the energy, and it's a consistent reminder that this business is not a business that you do alone. It is a business that, requires you to build a team and to have leadership qualities.
It's an energy, it's a connection, it's a community, and the number of people that I've met here from different corners of the world has been, I love to network. And I've probably met about 50 people here at least, and I expect to meet a lot more today.
Yes, after I attended EEW, I just realized that if you want to success in ENAGIC, you have to attend at least once essential ENAGIC workshop in your life.
Come to the workshop, don't come alone, and please make sure you come with lots and lots of people, all the people that you care for, and bring out notepads and write down as much note as possible. Be a student, be humble. That'll be my advice.
If we want to be success, we must to commit to the business.
So yesterday's session, I come to know about the mistakes. I noted down the mistakes and what not to do and what to do in the ENAGIC business for successful journey. But when I attended this session, and the perception completely get changed. So if anyone want to boost their business, they must attend these EEWES sessions.
This is the only setting where you get more and more information with testimonials, with research, information and knowledge on emGuarde, number one. Number two, you get to interact and you get to network with ENAGIC distributors from all across the world. So that makes this platform very unique.